Did you hear something? Wait, hold up. Yup, we got a catless downpipe. It's been so long, like it's genuinely been so long since I've made a video. But I was like, you know what? Cool, we'll make a video. Because yeah, everybody, I've got so many messages like, yo, when's the next video coming up? But then I was like, I just finished school and all of that jazz. So I just took a little break, a good 3-week break. I went and got my downpipe custom made. £350, you know. Is that police? Nope. It is so loud. So the plans with the car are fully custom catback, which I've got a resonated front res. My mid res is gone. Back box is getting valved mufflers on it. It's quite fun. I'm gonna put the windows on a little bit because holy shit, it's so hot. What else? Yeah, downpipe. So downpipe, air intake, remap coming soon. After I get my air intake, louder pops, front resonator in, smaller one, so it's a tiny bit louder, but holy shit. Right, we are going to go deliver pizza for my mom. That's the main point of the video, is delivering pizza. I don't know if you can see that pizza box right there, but we're gonna go deliver pizza for my mom with the downpipe. I'll send down this road a little bit. DSG farts are more like poof. You need to hear in real life, for like the videos don't do it justice at all, which pisses me off. Because my friend was like, yo, what the fuck is that? It sounds like shit. But it actually doesn't. I'm gonna include a few more sound clips of right. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Hold up. Shit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's enough. She got me out in such a rush, man. Oh, my fuel economy's taken a hit, like massive hit. Where I used to average about 27, all of that, average like 15, 19 now. Just kind of breaks my heart. Because how are you telling me I have 19 mpg? I have 2 bars of petrol left and I've only done about 200 miles. Should have let my car warm up, but it's fine. It's only this once. I keep telling myself. I don't know what you call that, right? So when I'm rolling in like 2nd or 3rd gear, right, and I step on the gas a little. Hold up, I'll show you what it is. Come on, drop a gear, bro. Hurry up. Right, it's like this. But I don't know why I dropped to. Oh, let me try again. Oh, why is it not happening? Basically, it makes a spark sound, and it's so nice when you do it under a tunnel. but it also dumps hella fuel into your car, which isn't good at all. Oh. What the hell? Why'd I do that? Right, let me deliver some food to my mum and I'll be back. Right, we have taken delivery of some food to take home. And now I'm gonna get an Uber Eats driver and take it home. Oh, let me show you guys the downpipe. So we got 3-inch custom downpipe in there. Hi, Amo. Say hi for YouTube. No, say it. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, that was a bit loud. Bye. I can see why I have so less MPG. We're on 18 right now. Gosh. Someone help me. Oh my god. My car has some issues, right? That window back there, it doesn't like to close, so I have to manually do it. The automatic shit doesn't work with it for some reason. But how has everybody been? How's everybody's summer going? RIP to all of my people living in the UK though, because oh my god, this heat is no joke. Like genuinely. Now, I already spoken about the heat, but bro, so I do sales, right? It's door-to-door sales, and you can imagine in like the peak hours of, so we start from about 1 o'clock, like our first lap is like 1:30 till 3:30 till we get a break. That first lap drains you so badly, like you feel like you're gonna die because it's so hot. Like every inch of my body feels like I'm in Jahannam, bro. But it's genuinely, it's icky. I've lived in Dubai though, right? And it's not as hot over there. I don't know what it is with UK heat, but Dubai, I don't know, maybe it's just in Dubai there's more cooler places, and I barely walked in Dubai. Back in Dubai we used to just sit in a car or go to a mall and it was all air conditioned. Here, oh, the malls, I don't really visit malls like that in here, but here the heat is sticky for some reason. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's disgustingly sticky. It gives you a headache as well, like me right now. Police, come. Especially, I'm like the biggest cheapskate when it comes to fuel, because that fuel in the UK. What is with this road? Yo, I can't even see. Hold up, guys. I can't even see because of the sun. And if I put the sun visor down, you guys can't see. So I'll take the suffering. But it's so hot. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm like the biggest cheapskate with fuel, because it's so oh, no, ladies. Bro, it's the most awkward thing, yeah, when I have this camera on and I have to go. And I have to go, what do you call it? Let pedestrians cross, because, you know, I'll take this road. But I have to let pedestrians cross, because they just look right, because there's no like tint here, yeah? I can't even put my windows down in this heat because there's tints. No one can see me from here. But there's no tint here because the UK, I don't think any countries allow it, but they can just see me. Please comment down below what all you want to see. They'll be driving to work videos, they'll be driving to other stuff videos. I'll figure it out. But oh, we also hit 3K, so thank you everybody. Thank you so much everybody for letting me hit 3K. I appreciate every single one of you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna give you one last pull with all windows down. Go. I'll let you go, bro. With all windows down. Alright guys, bye bye.
I just had to let you know you're